Hey guys, welcome back, and I finally got around to drilling the fucking rotors for the new stud pattern. Hey guys, we're finally back onto the drift car. So we've got a long weekend of rear cradle goodness to deal with. So last time we worked on the rear cradle, it was put the diff in. So a bunch of shit. Now we got to finish this off and sort of encase that, fill that, tidy that up, and cut out these sections, and obviously the brace metal, of course. I just left it there, so we got to cut all this out to pass the axles through. So I'm gonna plasma cut this shit out, and we can start welding stuff together. So here's the Sora axles. So these are just going to be temporary. I just cut that off before. So we use Sora end and then 86 end, and I'm just going to weld them together and put a sleeve on them. And then I can send them off and get some proper ones made down the track sometime. Obviously before I start driving, because they'll just break. But yeah, that's where we're at. That's what we're going to do, and have fun. Hey guys, got a little carried away, and we cut the crossovers out, and I bent up these two tubes, and then attached our arm brackets and then braced it all together. Yeah, you missed out on quite a lot. I was in a little bit of a rhythm. So it's pretty much all done. I've just got to let it cool down and tidy all that up. So that's fucking where I plasma covered this off, and then I welded that on. So I've just got to finish that back to where the welds are, and I got to cut this one down a bit more because I didn't cut it as far as the other one. I did the half tube in there. So tidy it up, give it a paint, and she's ready to put the diff back in, and she's all good. So sorry you missed out on that, but oh well. But I'm going to be doing the bash bar. So I built that like a year ago, and we're finally going to finish it. I might even do the axles for this as well, hopefully. We'll see if we have any time, but it is the end of the day on Sunday, so we have one more day Monday, being a public holiday. So alright guys, this is the finished product. So fucking yeah, big fat diff, half the CVs and all the brackets are in. So as you can see, tubed out that one and fucking welded her up. And if you look here, it's the half of the CV joints. So I need to make new top arms because they hit right in the center. And sort of most of aftermarket arms have a bit of a gap, a distance here to pass the CV through. Otherwise it won't get to the bearing hole. So it's close, but just not right. So I'll just make new ones anyway. And we'll see if I can get under here to give you a good look. Not exactly, but there she is. She all up in there. And ready for a tail shaft, eh? So, and with the bash bar, so I had these big fancy hoops and shit that went up around the sides, but I ended up cutting it off and just leaving it like that for now. Not too sure what I'm gonna do, so it's just like that for now. So just, yeah, so I can tie the car back down properly instead of hanging off that little factory thing. So other than that, this is all done for now, and I have a bit of stuff to do before we can get back onto it and finish her up. So you'll see this car in a couple of months, I guess. Thanks guys, see you later.